In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best ski boots in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Easily one of the most common boots on the hill, Salomon S Pro lands in a nice middle ground for intermediate riders. This boot replaced the equally popular X Pro a few years back and came with a few notable upgrades. It's more comfortable with a seamless liner that's smooth even around the toes, got an uptick in performance with better power transfer from the thinner core frame shell, and is noticeably lighter weight and easier to control. The S Pro is in a standout value at $500 for the 100 Flex model, but we have little to complain about when it comes to overall performance and construction. As expected from Salomon, the S Pro 100 boasts a highly customizable and heat-moldable shell, smooth and predictable flex, and plush liner that comfortably holds your foot in place. Further, build quality is up to the French brand's typical standards, so we don't have any concerns about longevity. The 100 Flex version should match well for anyone from ambitious beginners to advancing intermediates, but powerful or expert skiers will want to step up to the S Pro 120 or 130. Number 4. The 2020 Salomon S Pro X80 CS women's ski boots are an amazingly well-performing and fitting intermediate to advanced boot. In the S Pro 100 you get all of the performance features you need without having to fight a too-stiff boot. At a silky smooth 100 Flex, they will allow you to venture into deep snow blasts through crud, and rail on the groomers without feeling out of control or getting tossed in the back seat. Built for skiers prioritizing comfort, the S Pro 100 combines easy step in a seamless liner and full customization possibilities, so you can experience unmatched fit while chasing that perfect turn. Salomon Women's additional features: core frame 360 degrees brings lightness, enhances sensations, and allows full customization possibilities. It is an insert that guarantees the boot keeps its geometry and stiffness after the Custom Shell HD process. Custom Shell HD shell and cuff. The Custom Shell HD process on this shell and cuff aims to bring fast and complete personalization to your boots in just 10 minutes. The thinner wall construction and shell materials allow the foot to be closer to the shell and provide enhanced sensations, more power and direct transmission. My custom fit 3D seamless liner, anatomically designed per-shaped liner without internal or external stitches. It improves comfort, precision, and ensures a warmer fit. Sense amplifier makes you feel progressivity and precision at the beginning of every turn, while providing unmatched rebound effect, quicker edge-to-edge transfer, and acceleration at the end of the turn. Sense 35mm strap, 2 positions for adapted fit and sensations options. The unhooked position allows you to reach the right level of progressiveness and rebound, while the hooked position ensures maximum stiffness and performance. Flex adjuster allows you to boost or smooth your flex. Riveted oversized pivot ensures perfect power transmiss. Number 3. The Salomon Shift Pro boots are built for riders who have some interest in the backcountry, but prioritize stability on descent over an effortless ascent. Salomon very much anticipated the high demand for hybrid touring equipment, and has remained on the forefront with the release of this ski boot, an innovative development that demands looking at their revolutionary bindings. In winter of 2018, Salomon rocked the ski industry with the release of the Shift binding, the first lightweight touring binding that offers the same downhill benefits as a full-frame or alpine binding. As a match for a dual option, Salomon has indeed stayed relevant with one of the best ski boots available. The Shift boot is conceptually a freeride tour take on the S Max that we reviewed above. It's primarily oriented towards downhill dependability, with some concessions made for uphill travel. They have a mid-volume, fairly average fit, with the full degree of customization that Salomon affords all of its boots. The toe box is wider than some of their more race-oriented options, but the boot has enough grab in other areas that you still get the downhill results. It's more of an all-mountain alpine boot that has tech binding compatibility, And to be fair, this setup is going to appeal the most to people who already have the shift bindings. There's not as much range of motion for uphill travel as you would want out of a dedicated fast and loose touring boot. This Salomon ski boot is for people who want to work hard on the climb as well as the descent. It's perfect for people who are more casual backcountry riders who only want to invest in one pair of boots, or for those who want alpine charging capabilities out of bounds. Number 2. The Technica Mach 1 is an aggressive boot built to drive any ski in all types of terrain by an experienced skier. The 130 Flex model that we tested felt the stiffest of all the boots in our lineup. It also offers a consistent flex throughout the cuff without any collapsing at the ankle. We love polyurethane, PU, as do most boot fitters, as the premier material to mold the boot to your unique foot shape. PU can be molded and remolded multiple times, and although it is heavier, it is a superior material for an all-mountain boot. The cast liner is unbelievably comfortable and heat moldable as well. The cam strap at the top of the cuff holds snug and adds stiffness and stability while turning compared to other models tested. The price tag of the Mach may first drive some consumers away, but is a solid investment for those who are ready to take their skiing to the next level. Also, for those who like a looser style or spend time in the terrain park, this may not be the boot for you. Tricks and landings usually benefit from a more moderate flex. This boot is perfect for the ski racer or just the Olympic GS wannabe and the rest of us. Whether booting out on groomers or dropping steep chutes, this expert advanced boot wants to go fast. If your palms are sweating, keep reading. Our testers have found the right boot for you. Number 1. Nordica's line of HF hands-free boots are a contemporary take on old rear-entry boot technology. A daring throwback move sure to crinkle the eyes of veteran skiers, and an approach being adopted by other boot manufacturers for their comfort lines. Nordica has a reputation for plush, accommodating boots. The hands-free is their attempt to push comfort into new realms. These Nordica ski boots are designed with skiers who don't want to spend all day bent over adjusting buckles, or for those with long feet who feel like their bodies are simply geometrically incompatible with modern boots. But don't be fooled, HF boots are by no means rentals. They're as customizable as any other Nordica boot, with the heat-moldable cork liners, and localized infrared shell punching. They're well insulated, soft, and are still available with the 110 Flex to give you a little more control than other comfort boots. The HF is built to keep people on the mountain longer, and they're perfect if you find yourself thinking about your feet instead of having fun. They're also lightweight and have built-in textured grips on the bottoms of the boots to make getting around the base area less of a hassle. The Nordica HF comes in several different heated varieties in addition to the classic shell. If you have any issues with fun while skiing because of your feet, or if you have a sore back or any issues with keeping your toes warm, an HF boot might be the solution to your problem, and keep you warm where others fail. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.